reporting for DD India.
Meanwhile, India says the future of artificial intelligence needs to be shaped by countries coming together for collective good. Rajeev Chandrasekhar, the Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology, says that the governments do not have to choose between innovation and regulation, but trust is essential. Rajeev Chandrasekhar speaks with DD India's Julia Chapman on what India hopes to achieve from the event.
We've heard a lot today about the need to balance innovation with regulation. Where does India stand on that?
No, I don't think this is a binary that we need to choose between innovation and regulation. Our Prime Minister in our country is very clearly invested in acknowledging that governments or democratically elected countries like ours have a primary duty to the safety and trust of our citizens, whether that's law and order in the real world or safety and trust on the internet and vis-a-vis these new technologies. So we will certainly keep safety and trust of our citizens as our goal, and we will ensure that any platform, AI or otherwise, are accountable for any harm that the platform causes to our citizens.
And when it comes to protecting citizens, do you believe that that is more of a national project, or should there be international regulation?
Look, we must also accept that the internet, the way the world of tech today exists, there are no borders. And so even if I in India have these great laws and great regulations, the crime or the harm can be perpetrated in another jurisdiction. The victim could be in India or vice versa. And the actual impact of the crime could be in a third jurisdiction. So I think the very nature of the ubiquitousness of the internet and therefore of tech platforms on the internet, including AI, but not limited to AI, require countries to wake up to the fact that however outstanding the country is in terms of its own laws, that they will not be able to survive or succeed unless the corresponding other economies or the countries mirror their approach towards regulating the internet and regulating AI.
And with that in mind, what do you make of China's involvement in this summit?
Look, I think there's no disputing the fact that China is a major presence in tech, a major presence in AI. They have their ambitions. As long as countries, big or small, come onto the table and accept these basic principles, that at the end of the day, the future of tech is not going to look like any one country dominating it and sort of giving it out as if it was some kind of a favor. Rather, it should be from ground up designed to be an effort where every country, big or small, the global south or the developed nations and their people can enjoy the benefits of these technologies. So this is our philosophy. This is our Prime Minister has said this during the G20, that the world is one family. Our own conduct about DPIs, the digital public infrastructure, is that one that says that innovation should be accessible even to the global south.